Hi, my name is Devin, and I'm excited to share this next iteration of the camera-controlled avatar project in Unity. I'm using an OpenCV asset to track 68 points on my face, and then I've developed an algorithm to take those points and that spatial information and convert it into realistic avatar facial movement. On the avatar side, this was an avatar I got on the internet, but otherwise all the movements in the eyes, the mouth, were all developed by me within Blender, which was quite a learning experience. We have opening of the mouth, smiles, eyebrows up and down, as well as an eyebrow furrow, one eyebrow up at a time. The tracks are blinking, as well as a tilt of the head side to side. The idea behind this is to convey human expression and human interest without necessarily needing to be on a camera, which we all have been so much in the past. I look forward to improving this more. I think we would benefit a lot from someone who fully knows Blender as opposed to me teaching myself. And I want to do more on the machine learning side to better pick up fast movements and especially more complicated mouth movements. I'll keep you posted with what's next. Thank you.